Hello friends, myself Ravi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn what is divs and spans, what are differences between divs and spans. We will also learn what are the inline elements and block elements. So without getting late, let's dive to the tutorial. So before knowing divs and span, let's know about the inline and block elements. So HTML basically provides lot of display type, okay? And the two of most common display type is inline and block. Okay, so an inline element is an HTML element which will take up as much width as it needs, and block elements will take the full width of the page. Okay, so it will always come, if you write the two block elements, it will always come into the new line. So let's add two anchor tags and let's add the property href. Right now I'm not linking anything. I will just name it. Let's name it as link 1 and let's copy this and add link 2. Okay, and if I refresh the browser, you can see this link 1 is taking as much space as it needs. Okay, and beside this only this link 2 is also coming, right? This link 2 is also taking as much space as it needs. Okay, but if I type one paragraph tag and let's write welcome, okay, and let's also add one more paragraph tag, welcome to. Now if I refresh it, you can see this welcome will take the full line, right? And this welcome to will always come into the new line. Okay, so this welcome will take the full width, okay, of this page. So this is the basic difference between inline and block elements. Okay, so now we have understand about inline and block elements. Now let's go to divs and spans. So divs and spans are widely used tags. Okay, and div is a block element and a span is a inline element. So if you try it, let's give one div, okay, and add some text to it, welcome, and let's also add one more div with welcome to. Okay, and if you add a span, okay, and add some title, okay, and let's give it to title 2. Now if I refresh the page, you can see this welcome and welcome to are on the different line, right? Because this div is a block element and block element will always start from a new line, but this span element is inline element. That's why if you see this title is using as much space as it needs, and this title 2 is also on the same line, right? So these are the basic difference between divs and spans. Divs and spans are used a lot, but divs are more used tag than span. So that's it for divs and span. If you have any doubts regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.